So I've got a really cool automotive tool product for you guys today. This is from Olsa Tools. This is their set of slim profile wrenches in metric in this nice foam holder. So as you can see, pretty slim, but how slim are they? Well, here is a standard wrench, and you can see right there, guys, it is half the size. Very, very slim. So of course, some of you guys are probably like, when am I ever gonna use these? I don't come across that situation. Well, I'll show you one situation I've come across, and it's not the only one. So right down here, there is a hoisting point on that header bolt, and there's two nuts. Well, this slim profile wrench can actually fit behind there and hold that one back there as I go and spin off the front nut. So very good situation where these slim profile wrenches will come in handy, and that's not the only one on this truck. So if you don't want to be in that situation, pick yourself up a set. Olsa.